And I'm Kerry Finken. It's a pleasure to be out here at the Space Coast Women's Expo 2018. Lots of people out here on Sunday afternoon enjoying all the great exhibits and things to see. There's everything from health, wellness, wine and cookies. There's all kinds of fun things to do this afternoon. We're out here at the Melbourne Auditorium for the Space Coast Women's Expo. And you just finished up doing a training session where you were telling people about the work that you guys do with vascular vein centers. What were the things that you guys, tell us a little bit about what you covered in the talk that you just gave?
Sure, no problem. The first and foremost is to explain what we do at Vascular Vein Center. Vascular Vein Center, what we do is we diagnose and treat medical veins. Vein disease is actually not about cosmetic anymore. It's about treating patients with real symptoms that are associated with vein disease, such as achiness in the legs, heaviness, pain, swelling, and actually treating them and making them feel better.
You know, I was asking somebody earlier who was at the display that you guys have on the trade show floor and saying, like, as people come up, I assume that a lot of people just think it's simply a cosmetic issue, but it could actually go deeper than that.
Oh, most definitely. And that's what my talk was earlier. I explained to patients that when I speak about vein disease in relation to varicose veins, most people think, well, it's all about cosmetic. And I demonstrated to them it really isn't. It's about treating vein disease that causes, like I said, real symptoms that it truly affects their lives. Symptoms, like I said, associated with varicose veins, such as leg swelling, pain, achiness, heaviness, and it truly limits their lifestyle.
So some of the things that you guys are able to address through Vascular Vein Center are things that will help them maximize the functions and things like that?
Yes. First and foremost, when the patient comes into VVC, they're educated right off the bat. They're educated about vein disease, how we diagnose vein disease, that's through ultrasound evaluation, and then some of the treatment options that we have available for them, and taking care of these veins and treating them.
So, like, people use terms, and not, I guess, like me, who doesn't really understand all the nuances, we hear things like spider veins or things like that. What are the kind of things that people might be experiencing that would suggest that they would benefit from giving you guys a call?
Well, besides spider veins is actually considered cosmetic. But we know that certain patterns of spider veins can point to an underlying cause of vein disease. So, but they come in with bulging varicosities, their legs are achy, they're easily fatigued and tired, restless legs at nighttime, swelling in the legs. These are some of the symptoms that bring patients into VVC for further evaluation.
So one of the questions I had asked, I said, suppose somebody was not able to be here for your talk today, and maybe they're seeing this now later, like on a YouTube video or something like that. What would you want them to know, and how would they get in contact with you guys?
Well, first and foremost, like I said earlier, vein disease really is not about cosmetic anymore. It's really treating true symptoms associated with venous disease and the effect that it has on their lives. We actually have available vein screening that are free. Patients call us, contact us, set up for a vein screening that's free. They come in, we tell them and educate them about vein disease, and we take a quick look with ultrasound to see if they do have any underlying, ultrasound symptoms or signs.
So that way, it would be a good way for them to come in, get evaluated. There's no cost for that, and then they sort of can understand where they are and what relief might be available.
Correct, exactly.
Well, good. So I assume people would reach you at bestveintreatment.com?
Yes, yes.
And you guys have offices where in our area of Brevard County?
Our office is located in Suntree, Vieira, and it's in a brand new building that's called the Riverview Tower. It's directly on US 1, overlooking the river.
Sounds like a nice place to visit. All right. Well, thank you for taking time to talk with us today. I appreciate it. Thanks. All right. Thanks.